not even gonna believe what just happened. I feel embarrassed to even say it. Today's my baby's birthday. Today my dog turns 1 year old and he is a Shih Tzu. We got him back in March, but the breeder did let us know that he was born in January 5th. Now, here's the thing. January 6th is my anniversary with Kevin. So I always, like, in my head, I always knew, I was like, okay, Dowie's birthday is like literally like right next to my anniversary. You know, my brain, somehow, in my brain, switched up the dates, and I could have sworn Dowie's birthday was on the 7th. So I literally planned everything for Saturday because the 7th lands on a Saturday. I booked his like salon appointment so he can look all cute and stuff, and I had ordered some like cake mixes and like cake molds for like dogs to get here Saturday. My best friend was coming Saturday with her friendship because Dowie loves her dog and they get along super well. And then today I'm literally working right now as I'm like talking to you guys, and I get an email from the vet talking about happy birthday, Dowie. And I'm like, happy birthday? I'm like, okay, well, that's sweet. Like, it's a early, you know, that's an early celebration. Like, they wanted to say happy birthday early. But then, you know, when you have like something like goes off in your head and you suddenly like realize something. Well, that's literally what happened. Like, as soon as I saw the 5th, and I was like, the 5th, and like my fucking light bulb just went. And I'm like, holy shit. So I was like, I need to confirm. So I went through like his like vet records and stuff. And yes, indeed, Dowie's birthday is today, the 5th. And I literally forgot. And I had everything planned for 2 days from now. Dogs don't fucking care. He doesn't even know what that is. But me, because Dowie to me is literally like my child, it just feels like really shitty because I forgot. I know you guys haven't seen him since like our when we got him vlog. So this is baby Dowie. Oh my goodness, he is so big, you guys. He is due for a haircut, but like I said, his appointment is on Saturday because I thought his birthday was Saturday. The cake pan that I had ordered, it was supposed to be delivered tomorrow, but I got an email yesterday saying that it was going to be delivered today, and it literally just got delivered. So it's like the odds somehow still played in my favor because at least like I can bake his cake. The only bad thing is that obviously like my best friend's not going to be able to come because she works today, so Dowie won't be able to play with her friend. And I'm sorry, I'm also working, like I said. So if you see me looking this way, it's because I'm literally working. Look at this little cutie. Say hi. Hello. Also, I did get him a toy on Chewy, which was also delivered, I think, yesterday. So at least, you know, he has a little gift or something, right? Because Dowie loves toys. Like, this dog loves his toys. Every single one of them. There's not one that he doesn't play with. He has 2 baskets where we keep his toys. And he will literally dig every single... Yes, I'm talking about you. I'm literally talking about you. I feel like I have to film like an updated dog video for you guys. Just to like talk about like everything that we like did for Dowie. Like training wise, like his food. Because Dowie does eat like a very strict diet. Not strict, but I cook his food. He is literally the calmest dog ever. Like this dog was heaven sent. Yes, you were heaven sent, baby. He is so calm. He literally doesn't bother you guys. Like, he does not bark. He does not whine. He does not cry. If he does cry, like, it's, like, very few times. And it's because either, like, he wants his toy or, like, he wants us to, like, pick him up. That's it. He's super friendly. He's super lovable. You can literally, like, mess around with him, like, all you want. And, like, he's not gonna growl at you. Since we got him, since he was a baby, like, Kevin did a really good job at desensitizing him. So, he would always, like, mess around with him and, like, play with him and, like, stuff like that. And that's why we have this little angel now. Oh my goodness. Also, Dowie does not smile. Like, he is un amargado. It's funny because you know how they say that pets are like replica of like their owners? Well, ever since like I was a little girl, like people have always told me like, you need to smile more, you need to smile more. And that's just because like my face naturally is very serious. Like, we took our holiday pictures. Like I have our holiday cards here, and like he's not smiling in any of them. All right, I just came back from Publix and I ended up getting the blueberries for the cake. I got some bananas. I got a little #1 candle that he's not even gonna blow, but it's okay. And then we got peanut butter, and we also got whipping cream. This has nothing to do with the cake, but this is literally my favorite coconut milk ever. It's vanilla flavor, but this is what I use for like all my smoothies and stuff. It's the best. Also, can we just talk about how Publix is so freaking expensive. Like what I spent for these little stuff, I would have spent like half of that at Aldi. But I saw this bag of green beans for like $6. And I kid you not, I think I pay like $1, if not like 80 cents at Aldi for a freaking bag of green beans. I do love Publix. Their bakery is amazing, and obviously their pub subs are awesome. But I think their prices, I think their prices are, Dowie! I think their prices are freaking insane. You see this? This is all for you. I have like the food like laid out on the kitchen island, so he's like just eyeing everything up. You see that? Oh my goodness, it's for you. Yeah, you're gonna eat that later. I'm like so crafty. So Dowie has like a bunch of bandanas that he never wears because they're too big for him. He's a really small dog, and then he has these bandanas that are literally huge. So like no matter how much I fold them and stuff, they don't fit him. They're too big. So I kept one that he got one at the groomers, which it's like purple and pink, but it's okay. Dowie wears whatever. And the ones at the groomers, they always fit him like perfect because they're like tiny. So I took one of his bandanas and I just cut it, and we can finally get a cute bandana. Stay.
Oh my goodness, look at that little model. He's ready for his birthday pictures, isn't he? Yes, he is. Yes, he is.
So Kevin got home, so we're gonna give him the toy. Let me show you guys how excited this dog gets for toys. Like, he knows.
Oh my god, what is this? What is this?
¿De quién es ese juguetico? ¿Ah? ¿De quién es? ¿De quiénes son esos juguetitos?
Quieto.
There he goes. This dog loves his toys. I'm not kidding. We're gonna start the cake. And the cake is 3/4 of a cup of flour. But I don't have like the big measuring cups. I only have like the small ones, so I'm gonna have to use 3 of these. Half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/4 of baking powder. We're gonna add 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Now, how am I gonna get this to pour? I don't know. Then you're gonna do 2 tablespoons of honey. You're gonna add a smashed banana. You can also do applesauce. I was reading online that you can also do applesauce. But I think banana's healthier, so. This is what it looks like. I think this is a 6-inch pan. And then I put parchment paper at the bottom with a little bit of non-stick oil. And then we're gonna pop it in the oven for 20 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees. I have the heavy cream. So we got the whipped cream ready. And then we're just gonna go ahead and decorate the cake. Came out so cute. I love it. It's so cute. The little piping bag literally broke as I started piping the bag. What? I said my piping bag broke while I was decorating the cake. So I had to improvise, and we used a Ziploc bag, and it worked just fine. So don't waste your money on piping bags. They suck.
What is this? Oh my goodness. ¿De quién es este pastelito, ah?
To you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Dowie, happy birthday to you.
He is the happiest doggy right now. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.